Ending a relationship.
Can we talk for a minute? I think we need to discuss our relationship.
Sure, what's going on?
I don't think things are working out between us. I think we should break up.
Oh no, why do you think that?
I just don't feel the same way I used to. I don't think we're compatible anymore.
I understand. It's been a difficult few months.
Yes, it has. But I still care about you and I want us to remain friends.
I care about you too. It's going to be hard, but I think we can still be friends.
Thank you for understanding. I'm sorry things didn't work out between us.
It's okay. We both tried our best.
I hope we can both move on and find happiness.
I hope so too. Take care.
Cooking comfort food on a rainy day.
It's supposed to be rainy and cold. Perfect weather for cooking some comfort food.
Oh, that sounds like a great idea. What do you feel like making?
How about some homemade macaroni and cheese?
Yum, that sounds perfect. Do we have all the ingredients we need?
I think so. We just need some milk, butter, and of course, macaroni and cheese.
Alright, I'll grab the ingredients from the store. Do you want to start cooking the pasta?
Sure thing. Let's get started.
I can't wait to try it. I'm sure it'll be delicious.
Me too. And there will be plenty of leftovers for tomorrow.
Perfect. We won't have to worry about cooking tomorrow then.
Learning to dance together.
Hey, have you ever been interested in learning how to dance?
Actually, I have. Why do you ask?
Well, I was thinking about taking a dance class and I was wondering if you wanted to join me.
That sounds like fun. What type of dance were you thinking of?
I was thinking of trying salsa or swing. They seem like they would be really energetic and fun.
Either one sounds good to me. When were you thinking of going?
I was thinking of checking out a class this weekend. Are you free then?
Let me check my schedule. Yeah, it looks like I'm free. Let's do it.
Awesome. I can't wait to learn some new moves.
Me too. And who knows, maybe we'll be the next dancing stars.
Moving day planning and packing tips.
It's supposed to be sunny, which is good news for our move.
Thank goodness. I was worried about having to move everything in the rain.
Me too. Speaking of the move, have you started packing yet?
Yeah, I've started. It's amazing how much stuff we've accumulated over the years.
I know, right? I can't believe how much we've managed to fit into this apartment.
I think we should start with the kitchen. There's so much to pack in there.
Good idea. Do you want to start on the dishes while I pack up the pots and pans?
Sounds like a plan. And don't forget to label the boxes so we know what's inside.
I won't. And we should also make a list of everything we're packing, just in case.
Great idea. The last thing we want is to lose track of something important.
Exactly. Let's get started then. We have a lot of work to do.
Planning a mountain hike.
It's supposed to be sunny and clear this weekend. Perfect weather for hiking.
That sounds like a great idea. I've been wanting to get out and do something active.
Me too. I heard there's a good hiking trail not too far from here. Want to check it out?
Definitely. What time do you want to go?
How about we meet up at 8 a.m.? That way we can beat the crowds.
Sounds good to me. Do you have any hiking experience?
Yeah, I've done a few hikes before. Nothing too crazy though.
Okay, I haven't done much hiking myself, but I'm looking forward to it.
Don't worry, it's not a competition. We can take it at our own pace and enjoy the scenery.
Agreed. I'll bring some snacks and water for the hike.
Great idea. And don't forget to wear comfortable shoes and dress in layers. It can get chilly up there.
Thanks for the reminder. I can't wait to get started.
Rainy weekend plans.
Hi there, how are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing all right. Did you see the weather forecast for this weekend?
No, I haven't. What's it looking like?
It looks like it's going to rain all weekend.
Oh no, that's too bad. I was planning on going hiking.
Yeah, it's a bummer. But we could still find something to do indoors, like watching movies or playing board games.
That's a good idea. Maybe we could even try cooking something new.
That sounds like fun. We could make it a whole weekend of trying new things indoors.
I like the sound of that. Thanks for cheering me up.
No problem, glad I could help.
The benefits of adopting a pet.
It's supposed to be sunny and warm. Perfect weather for taking our dog for a walk.
Speaking of our dog, have you noticed how much happier he seems since we adopted him?
Definitely. I think having a pet has been good for both of us. It's nice to come home to someone who's always happy to see you.
Plus, it's been nice to have someone to take care of. It gives us both a sense of responsibility.
I agree. And it's not just the sense of responsibility. Having a pet around has actually been shown to reduce stress and anxiety.
That's true. I remember reading that somewhere. I'm just glad we decided to adopt instead of buying a pet from a breeder.
Me too. There are so many animals in shelters that need homes. It feels good to know that we were able to give one of them a second chance.
The joys of gardening.
It's supposed to be sunny and warm. Perfect weather for working in the garden.
I love gardening. I find it so relaxing.
Me too. It's nice to be outside and away from technology for a while.
Definitely. Plus, there's something really satisfying about seeing plants grow and thrive.
Have you ever grown vegetables before?
Yeah, I grew tomatoes and peppers last summer. It was so fun to see them grow and then use them in recipes.
That sounds amazing. I've never grown vegetables before, but I'd love to try.
You should. It's not that difficult, and the payoff is worth it. Plus, it's nice to know exactly where your food is coming from.
That's a good point. What should we grow?
How about some herbs? They're easy to grow and we could use them in our cooking.
Beach date plan.
Hi, I was wondering if you would like to go out on a date with me this weekend?
Sure, that sounds like fun. What do you have in mind?
I was thinking of going to the beach and having a picnic.
That sounds amazing. I love the beach.
Great, I'll pack some food and we can bring a blanket. How about we meet at the beach around noon?
Sounds perfect. I can't wait.
Me neither. I'm really looking forward to spending time with you.
Same here. Thank you for asking me out.
No problem, it's my pleasure. See you at the beach.
See you there.
Climate change concerns and actions.
Hi, have you heard about the latest report on climate change? It's pretty concerning.
Yeah, I've read a few articles about it. It's really scary how much damage we're doing to the planet.
I know, and it's not just the environment that's being impacted. It's affecting people's lives and livelihoods too.
Absolutely. And the worst part is that it's not something that's going to go away overnight. We need to take action now to try and mitigate the effects.
Yes, and that means making changes to our lifestyles, such as reducing our carbon footprint and being more mindful of our consumption.
I completely agree. We also need to push for changes on a larger scale, such as more investment in renewable energy and stricter regulations on emissions.
Yes, and we need to keep having these conversations and spreading awareness. It's important that everyone understands the severity of the situation and takes action.
I couldn't agree more. It's up to all of us to make a difference.
Apartment hunting and prioritizing amenities.
Hey, have you started looking for a new place to live yet?
Yeah, I have. I found a few apartments that look promising.
That's great. Are they in our price range?
Yeah, most of them are. I've been trying to find something that's affordable but still in a good location.
That's a good idea. Have you checked out any neighborhoods in particular?
Yeah, I've been looking at places near the subway. It's important for us to have easy access to public transportation.
I agree. What about amenities? Do any of the apartments have things like a gym or a pool?
Yeah, a few of them do. But those ones are a little more expensive.
That's okay. We can prioritize what's most important to us and go from there.
Agreed. I'll keep looking and send you some listings to look at.
Sounds good. Thanks for taking care of this, by the way.
Of course. It's a big decision, but I'm excited to find our new place.